do a speed test and see what kind of I/O we get. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, and you can take a look at this. It's reflecting the light. It's very, very shiny. Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to be taking a look at a very high-end luxury hard drive. This is an external hard drive. It is by Brinell. They're a company out of Germany. Hope I can get this in the light where you can see it. They claim to have really good hard drives, not only the hard drive itself for speed, but as for the design, very luxurious, very high-end, very classy hard drives. So the only bad thing is you're going to be paying for that class, you know, almost up to maybe double what you would pay, and maybe not quite double what you'd pay for just the hard drive that's inside of it. And they do have even higher ends. They have flash SSD ones that can range anywhere from $300 to $500. This one here is just your standard run-of-the-mill 2.5-inch SATA drive, but they do claim to have some pretty good speeds in it. So we're going to take a look at that. So here's the box, and you can see it looks like you're buying like a piece of jewelry. It's in a very nice, stylish box. And this is the stainless steel. You can see here, HDD 1 terabyte stainless steel external drive. So that is what I did purchase. And I will show you they have many different kinds of these. They have a wood grain case, and it's made from, I can't tell you the tree, but it's a definitely kind of a, I don't say mahogany, but it's definitely kind of a tree that they have there that's very nice. They have them in leather, they have them in carbonite, and so really cool luxurious drives here, guys. So let's go ahead and unbox this, see what it looks like and what you get in here. And immediately, you know, you get a little nice microfiber cloth, very shiny, to clean your hard drive with. And then here's the hard drive itself, very shiny. Brinell, this is just basically a 2.5-inch SATA drive encompassed in aluminum, or stainless steel, sorry. And so you can see on here there's a little company logo, Brinell, and nothing but stainless steel, except here you do have a USB 3.0 port. That is how you're going to hook this up to a computer. This does come formatted to work in either a Mac or a PC, so you can use it right out of the box for Windows and Mac. Don't have to do anything except plug it in. Also, this is powered by the bus, so there is no extra cords or cables or plug-ins that you're going to have with this. You can just fly with it on the go, whip it out at a coffee shop or at a business meeting, look really, really high-class professional, and then plug it in and you're good to go, and you can, carry up to a terabyte of data with this thing. So let's go ahead and lay that aside. Then we got a little foam. We got a little separator box. And we get a USB 3.0 cable. You can see there. Put that aside. A little guide, and you can see here's the carbonite, stainless steel, and the black leather. They do have these available in just your regular old tan leather and white leather, so you can get that there. This does not show the wood grain on this one here. So, and then you get a nice little leather pouch to carry this around in. So let's just go ahead and stick that in the leather pouch right now and see how it fits and how it looks. There you go. Fits in there nice and snug. A little wallet, so you can carry your drive around just like this. I don't think I'd want to put the USB cable in here with it. One, it probably wouldn't fit, and two, it might scratch up your stainless steel drive or whatever drive you went with. So that's the drive. That's what you get in the box. Very, very luxurious, very cool, very high end. Yes, you're gonna pay a little extra for it. Now let's take a look at the website. I'll bring over the MacBook Air here. I'll scroll up just a little bit, so pardon the movements. So this is the website, Brinell.net. You can go there and check it out. And you can also get these on Amazon. I'll have a link to both on Amazon and on the Brinell website. But here, as you can see, is the black leather, the tan, the white. If you can scroll on down, there's the carbonite. Here's the wood that I was talking about here. And this is in the, I think that's very, very nice wood there. Let's take a few more look at some of the pictures. There's the stainless steel. And maybe we can come over here to the carbonite one. There you go. Very, very cool. Very, very high class drives. Now I mentioned this one here is the 2.5-inch form factor. That's just kind of your standard hard drive. This is what it's going to spec out at. Dimensions, the 1000, you know, its length is 115 millimeters, its width is 85, height, weight 190 grams. It is SuperSpeed USB 3.0 backwards compatible, of course, with 2. It's claiming to get 110 megabytes read and 110 megabytes write speed with this USB 3.0 connection with this drive. So that's pretty good. I've got Western Digital external drives that don't get anywhere near that. So we're going to test that out real quick and see what we get for read and writes. I did want to go back and just show you the SSDs. Whoops, we went to the German version of the website. They do have a cool little cloud, private cloud here too. So let's take a look at the products. And here is the highest speed Samsung 840 EVOs. Very, very fast drives. And these are also available in like the same kind of designs, the wood and the leathers and stuff like that. And these here claiming to get 420 megabits read and 300 megabits write with those drives, so wickedly fast. If you wanted to spend some extra money on those, have at it, and good stuff. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to plug this in and we're going to do a quick speed test. And by the way, you do get some software on this drive, guys. It says it comes with TrueCrypt, which I don't know if I would trust too much anymore after they had their little debacle there. And then also comes with like PureSync, I think, which is like a backup, an auto backup solution. So you do get some software on the drive, nothing major. Let's go ahead and plug this in, and then we'll see what the Mac sees. I'm going to try to scroll out and up here, so there we go. So no, I don't want to use it. We'll decide later on the time machine. And see, I've just plugged this in and we're off and running. So let's go ahead and launch our Blackmagic I/O checker. And we're going to come up here and we're going to actually select the target drive. And we're going to select the Brinell. So we're going to choose. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here, guys, so you can see what's going on the screen. And we are going to do a quick little speed test of this Brinell drive. Let's see if we can get right in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and start this test. So right out of the gate, well, we're not getting where they said we'd get on writes. We're only getting like 68, 70 writes. Now they claimed 110 reads. Looks like we're getting close to that. We're getting at 105, but we're falling really short on the writes. They said about 110 on the writes as well, and we're averaging about 60. So we're about almost 60 or 40% under what they're claiming that you were going to get with this drive. So not all happy about that. The reads, though, I think actually it came down on the last test. They went down to 93, and here they're going back up. Looks like we're getting 60 right. So for some reason, we're definitely not getting the throughput that they said we would on the writes, but the reads were in the ballpark at least. So anyway, that is a quick speed test of the Brinell drives. Again, guys, I'll have a link in the show notes where you can pick one of these up. If you want to get a high-end drive, look at class and stuff like that, and just go from there. Because they are definitely a classy-looking drive. I just can't go on more about the presentation and the look of these. I mean, a drive encased in stainless steel. Pretty neat. So if you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up and a subscription to the channel, and feel free to like and share this video as well. Helps us out a whole lot. And as always, thanks for watching, and have a good one, guys.